Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to translate messages on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: from your Telegram home menu, tap on this three-line icon to the top left corner and now tap on settings, scroll down and tap on language, and here you'll find show translate button. So all you have to need, just toggle on to enable this option and tap on do not translate, and you can select those language from here you don't want to translate. And now here I'm going to translating a message. To translate, simply tap on the message which you want to translate, and here you will get this translate option, so tap on that. So here you can see the message has been translated. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.